So here are a list of ways to say nice to meet you in German. Now, first of all, I don't think it's common to say nice to meet you in German, from what I've heard from Germans that I've met, and usually to say hello and say your name. Yeah, you don't really say nice to meet you. But you can still say it. There's nothing wrong with saying it. No one's going to look at you weirdly, but this is how you say it. There's a few different ways. A formal way of saying it is Es freut mich, Sie kennenzulernen. And with that, you can just reply with mich auch. Informally, you can just say Es freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. So you just change an Sie for dich, and that just makes it more informal. Another formal way is Schön Sie kennenzulernen. And with that, you can just respond with Sie auch. Now, instead of that, you can also do it informally by saying Schön Dich kennenzulernen, which again, it's pretty much the same, just changing Sie for dich, which both can mean you. And to that, you can just reply with dich auch. You can also say freut mich, wirklich, sehr. And two more I'm going to say, you can also say freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. So you literally just take an S out of the start of it. And another formal and also informal way of saying it is freut mich, which that you can just reply with mich auch. So thanks for watching. That's how to say nice to meet you in German.